Navigating the halls of power, understanding the concept of Parliament. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are venturing into the realm of government and politics, a very important field in advanced English vocabulary. Our focus for today's video is Parliament. This term is integral to the functioning of many democratic governments around the world. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a parliament is, some key vocabulary associated with it, and how to use these terms in context. Let's dive in. A parliament is a legislative body of government. The parliament represents the people, makes laws, and oversees the government via hearings and inquiries. This concept is prominent in many countries, particularly those following a Westminster system, a term you might want to note down. Here are some important terms related to the concept of Parliament. 1. Legislature. This is a general term for the law-making body in a country. Parliament is an example of a legislature. 2. Member of Parliament, MP. An individual elected to represent a specific constituency, an area of a country, in the Parliament. 3. Bicameral and unicameral. Parliaments can be bicameral, meaning they have two houses, like the House of Lords and House of Commons in the UK, or unicameral, meaning they have one house. 4. Bill. A proposal for a new law or a proposal to change an existing law that is being considered by a parliament. 5. Debate. A formal discussion in Parliament where MPs argue for or against a bill. Now let's see how we can use these words in a sentence. 1. The Parliament passed the law after a lengthy debate. 2. The Member of Parliament introduced a bill to address climate change. 3. The UK has a bicameral legislature, which means it has two separate chambers, the House of Lords and the House of Commons. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the concept of Parliament and its related vocabulary. The words and phrases we've learned today are not only important for understanding the political scene but also for advancing your professional English vocabulary. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to replay this video as many times as needed. Remember, mastering a new language takes time, patience, and practice. See you in our next video.